Have you ever noticed that band on a towel? It actually has a purpose, and a lot of people have no idea. Towels are one of those things we use all the time, in the morning after a shower, in the evening after a bath, and for drying our hands after washing them. They're soft, absorbent, and with frequent use they can wear out pretty quickly. That's why it's worth paying attention to that band you'll find on almost every towel, both big and small. Interestingly, it isn't always in the same place. Sometimes there's one band right at the bottom, sometimes it's a little higher up, and sometimes a towel has two or even three of them stacked one above the other. A lot of people think it's just a design detail to make the towel look more elegant, but it actually has a name: the Dobby border. It's woven much tighter than the rest of the towel, which strengthens the edge and helps it keep its shape. It prevents the fabric from stretching out too much, and it also acts like a small barrier that protects the edges from fraying and damage. Plus, it gives towels that neat, distinctive look. That's the real reason that little band is always there. You can even share this fun fact with your neighbor. Go ahead and use your towel and wash it like normal, without worrying that the edges will wear out too fast. This trick always impresses guests. Fold both ends toward the center, roughly halfway in. Now fold the bottom part of the towel inward, leaving a small, extra flap at the edge. Tuck the end underneath. Next, gently pull the fabric out on one side, and then the other to create wings. Finally, pull out the extra flap at the top and shape it into a collar. Now, grab a small hand towel. Fold both corners toward the center. Then fold one corner in again and do the same on the other side until you get a long strip. Tie a small knot at the top. It'll look just like a real tie. Place it in the middle of your towel shirt. Done. Set it in the bathroom or on a shelf, ready for your guests. This towel shirt with a tie looks like a classy decoration straight out of a luxury hotel. It instantly catches the eye, and every guest will love it. A regular washing machine can dry your laundry too. Every machine has this function, and your clothes can come out just as dry as from a dryer. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the time. No need to set up a drying rack that takes up space in your room. You'll save time and effort. How is this possible? It turns out that a regular washing machine can dry clothes. After washing, don't take them out immediately. Instead, add a fluffy towel to the drum. If there's enough space, add two. Then run the spin cycle at the highest speed. The dry towels will absorb the moisture from your clothes. By the end of the cycle, your laundry will feel like it came straight from a dryer. For even better results, set the highest spin speed during the wash cycle. A final spin with dry towels will make drying even more effective.